Hi, my name is Elizabeth Smith, and I'm a knitting designer from Maine. My specialty is in creating simple, modern knitting patterns that any knitter can enjoy. My design process starts with this simple and modern aesthetic, but then my challenge is always to figure out how to create that look using simple and easy knitting techniques. I view my job as a technical writer to be just as important as that of a designer. So I take a lot of care in the way I write my patterns, and they're always professionally tech edited, and I provide customer support for all of my designs as well. So if you ever need a little help or guidance, feel free to shoot me an email.